Hey guys, I'm Garrett, and I want to teach y'all a little bit about what it's like to have a dog today. This is Nova. She's my pet dog, and she's half golden retriever and half black lab. Okay, I want to show you guys some of the commands that Nova knows. These are basic obedience commands. It just helps Nova be able to listen to me when I'm going around places, stay with me, and some of them are kind of cool tricks. The first one is heel. Heel. She'll just walk right next to me. Heel. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Lay down. Good. Now these are kind of fun. Roll over. Good girl. Shake. Good. High five. Good girl. Hey guys, this is our friend Coda. He's also a family companion dog. He's a mixture of breeds. And this shows that any dog can be trained to do these fun little tricks. So he does all the same tricks. Like sit, lay, good boy. Sit, shake, good. And this is Coda's little trick, sit pretty. Good boy. Lay. Good. Sit. Roll over. Roll over. Good girl. High five. High five. No. High five. High five. Just one hand. High five. One hand. Sometimes she likes to do the other tricks thinking she's going to get a treat. Give me five. Sit. High five. High five. Good. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me and Nova today. We had a blast making this for you guys, and I hope y'all enjoyed.